In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the customer payments against their opening balances. So on 7th of January, it says Mr. Victor paid all previous balance by giving us cash, and the amount that we have received is 65,000. Now, if you notice, there is no transaction or sales during the period. It's all against the opening balance. If we scroll up, this is the opening balance of Mr. Victor, that is 65,000. Now the treatment in Odoo depends upon how you did the initial treatment. So if initially you booked the balance via invoices, then you will receive the payment by just going in the customer section and click on payments, and then you can receive the payment against the pending invoices. But that's in case when you booked the initial opening balance as an invoice and not as a journal entry. If you have booked it as a journal entry like we did, if we go to the accounting and click on journal entries, this is the opening journal entry, right? So this is all for the balances, like customer opening balances. Let me just put the reference here as well. Opening balance. Save this. So we have booked a journal entry based on that. So to clear the balance initially, we have to pass a journal entry for this one as well. If we have booked it as an invoice, then we can use the customer payments. So in future, we will receive the customer payments against the invoices. But here we just click on accounting and click on journal entries, click on new, and just copy and paste the narration here. Date of transaction is 7th of January. So we are receiving cash, right? So cash should be debit against which partner? Against Victor. Under the label, I'll just copy and paste the same narration. Amount in debit should be 65,000. And add another line. Account receivable, on the other hand, should also go to the partner. And the credit side is also 65,000. So let's click on post. And now let's go to the customer and click on customers here. Now the pending balance against Victor should show 0 here. Just consider that. If you have received the payment without any invoices, that means we have booked the journal entry and you used customer payments to receive it, still this balance will not clear. And under the reporting section as well, let's check it one more time. Under the partner ledger, so 65,000 was booked, 65,000 is received, so balance is 0. So this is how you can book this. In the later parts, we will also see how we can book the opening balance via invoices, but we are just following our project, so we have to follow it completely. So this is how it can be done against opening balance. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.